What are you doing?
Mixing it.
Oh. What are you making?
Tasty. Cold soup.
Do you want to put some in the bowl?
Yes. Can you put some in the bowl?
Oh, no, you're going to do it. You put that on here. You've got the ladle. No, leave the pot on there. It's going to be hot. Use your ladle. And then you scoop the ladle and put it in the bowl.
I'm going to put this in. I'm going to put some around a big dish.
Making day. There's flour.
Daddy!
What looks like?
Dada, I'm mixing.
Wow.
I'm mixing my teapot
Good job, Jack.
with this, Daddy. I'm mixing it out with this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I put them in my bowl.
Nice.
With this, my ladle.